Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes. Penicillin, a name that revolutionized medicine. While Alexander Fleming is celebrated for his discovery, there's much more to this story than a lucky accident. Today, we'll explore the fascinating journey of penicillin, from a moldy petri dish to becoming the miracle drug that transformed the 20th century pharmaceutical industry. Our story begins in 1928 at St. Mary's Hospital, London. Alexander Fleming, a microbiologist, was conducting experiments with Staphylococcus bacteria. Before leaving for a vacation, he inadvertently left a petri plate exposed. Upon returning, he noticed something extraordinary, a clear ring around a green mold where bacteria had failed to grow. This mold, Penicillinum, was secreting a substance that killed the bacteria, which was penicillin. Fleming's keen observation led to the identification of this groundbreaking antibiotic. However, Fleming's initial experiment faced significant challenges. He couldn't purify penicillin effectively, and its potential remained largely untapped. His findings, published in 1929, went unnoticed by most of the scientific community for nearly a decade. Fast forward to the late 1930s, at Oxford University, a dedicated team led by Howard Florey, Ernst Chain, and Norman Hatley took up the challenge of penicillin. Their mission: to isolate and produce it in quantities sufficient for practical use. But the journey wasn't easy. Penicillin production required vast amounts of mold, and purification processes were painstakingly slow. Italy's innovative methods, like using shallow pans of nutrient-rich agar to grow the mold, were key. By practicing with different techniques, the team managed to produce a slightly poorer form of penicillin. This progress set the stage for testing its effectiveness. In the 1940s, the Oxford team conducted their first groundbreaking experiment. They infected mice with deadly bacteria and treated some with penicillin. The results were astonishing. The treated mice survived, while the untreated ones succumbed to infection. This was the pivotal moment, proving penicillin's potential as a life-saving drug. Despite this success, scaling up production was still a monumental challenge. The team needed resources far beyond what their lab could provide. Entered the United States. With World War II looming and the need for effective treatment became urgent, the Oxford team partnered with the USDA and American pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer and Merck. Scientists discovered that corn step liquor, a byproduct of corn processing, drastically boosted penicillin yields. Tank fermentation revolutionized production, enabling mass quantities of penicillin to be made. By 1943, penicillin was saving lives on the battlefield, treating infection in wounded soldiers, and earning its nickname, the Wonder Drug.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
One of the first human trials occurred in 1941. A police officer suffering from a severe bacterial infection showed remarkable improvement after receiving penicillin. Unfortunately, the supply ran out before his treatment could be completed. The tragic case underscored the urgent need for large-scale production. By 1944, penicillin was widely available in Allied forces. Its success not only saved countless lives, but also captured public imagination, marking a turning point in medical history. Penicillin's discovery paved the way for the modern pharmaceutical industries. Companies expanded their research, leading to the development of new antibiotics. However, challenges soon arose. Allergic reaction and bacterial resistance became significant issues, reminding us that every medical breakthrough comes with limitations. Despite these challenges, penicillin remained a cornerstone of modern medicine. Its impact on healthcare and its role in shaping the pharmaceutical industry are undeniable. Penicillin's story is one of the curiosity, persistence, and collaboration. From a moldy petri dish to saving millions of lives, it exemplifies the transformative power of science. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating stories of scientific discovery.